Imagine if you could build your own AI applications, ask them complex questions, and get intelligent answers back instantly. This isn't magic. This is the power of Google Gemini. And the very first step to unlocking this power is something called an API key. Now I know. As soon as you hear the term API, it can sound technical and intimidating. Most people think it's only for expert coders. But I promise you, by the end of this video, not only will you have your own free Gemini API key, but you'll also understand exactly what it is and how it works in plain English. So what exactly is an API? The easiest way to think about it is like a restaurant. You, the developer, are the customer. Google Gemini is the kitchen, where all the incredible AI models are working. Now, you can't just walk into the kitchen yourself. You need a waiter. The API is that waiter. You give your request to the waiter, and the waiter brings the response back from the kitchen. And the API key? That's your secret password that proves to the waiter that you're a legitimate customer. It's that simple. To get started with this process, you only need two things. First, an active Google account. If you use Gmail or YouTube, you're already set. Second, a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or any other you prefer. That's it. Now let's jump into the practical steps. All right, first step. Open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. In the search results, you want to carefully click the link that has the address aistudio.google.com. To make it easy, I'll also put a direct link in the description below. Once you click it, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. After signing in, you'll land on this powerful dashboard. Don't let it overwhelm you. On the left-hand side, you'll see options like New Prompt and Library. This is where you can test and experiment with Gemini directly. But our goal is to build applications, so we need that key. To get it, we're going to click on the option that says Get API Key. Click on Get API Key. A small window will pop up. In that window, you will see a big blue button that says Create API Key in New Project. Don't worry, this is completely free. Go ahead and click that button. Wait just a few seconds, and there it is. Congratulations! This long string of letters and numbers is your official Google Gemini API key. We did it! Okay, please pay close attention for the next 90 seconds. This is the single most important part of this video. You need to treat this API key like the PIN for your bank account or the key to your house. If it falls into the wrong hands, it can be misused. So how do you keep it safe? First, never ever share it publicly on websites like GitHub. Don't send it to anyone in an email or a message. The best way to store it is using a password manager, like Bitwarden or 1Password. If you don't use one, save it in a simple text file on your computer, give it a generic name, and store it in a secure, private folder. Remember, your key is your responsibility. So now that you have this master key, what can you actually do with it? The possibilities are almost endless. You can write a simple Python script to summarize long articles. You can build custom functions inside Google Sheets to analyze data for you. You can create a personal chatbot that can answer your specific questions. You can even use it to analyze images. This key is your official entry ticket into the world of AI development. So let's do a quick recap. Today you learned 3 things: what an API is, how to get your Gemini API key in just a couple of minutes, and most importantly, how to keep it secure. You've done a fantastic job. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the first project you'd like to build with this powerful key? Share your creative ideas in the comments section below. And if you're ready to take the next step, in my very next video, we'll use this exact key to write our first Python program. Click the video on the screen right now or hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.